How to make a cocktail using craft Flair skills. First we will do one long drink, second we will do two the same or different long drinks in the same time, and finally we will do cocktail using shaker method. I will show you the example of how you can do it. So for example, we have to do cocktail paradise. We have napkin, we have cocktail glass, we have gin, we have apricot, and we have orange. Also we have our strainer, we have jitter shaker, jigger, ice cube ice. So we start this way. You just take your glass like this and put it here. And you use your other hand to take the napkin. And pop. Then you take your jitter shaker like this and grab your shaker. And at this time, you take your ice cube and take some ice. So, bump, bump. You put your ice inside. Do this move. Bump, bump. Then you put your shakers here. And at this time, in the same time, you take some ice, you put it in your glass. Then you take your jigger, you put it on a pour spot on your bottle, and you do pour. You place your bottle here and you pour it. Then you just throw your jigger, you take your bottle with apricot, do this move and change grip on your jigger this way and do roll pour. Here, here, take it this way, pour it and pour it here. Then this bottle you already place here and you throw your jigger, take it here, pour your orange, pour it here. Then, while you put your jigger here, you take your glass, throw the ice. By this hand, you take your jitter shaker out. Here, this hand, you take your strainer. By this hand, you take your shaker. You throw it here, and then you take it out. You do shake. This you can put here, or you can put here. You put your strainer inside, and you pour your drink. just to show you how you can use your craft skills. You just have to understand what do you have to do to prepare your cocktail. And then you switch simple moves to craft moves.
So guys, hope this lesson was interesting and helpful for you. If you still have some questions, just write me in the comments or on my Instagram page, and I will try to help you. Good luck and see you on my next lessons.